Welcome to Healing Out Loud Mind and Body Recovery, where we help you fix your gut, heal your body, and heal your mind from the inside out. I'm your host, Coach Chino. Let me start with this. I lost 25 pounds without starving, without keto, and without a trendy 30-day fix. I implemented the 80-20 rule, no restrictions, but I knew for optimal weight loss, I wanted to be as disciplined as possible. 80% of the time, I ate clean. 20% of the time, I ate what I wanted to, but under control. I didn't count calories. I didn't sweat the numbers. I just focused on my health. I fixed my gut, and my body handled the rest. Now let that sink in for a second. Now let me ask you something. Have you ever just accepted a problem like it's part of who you are? I guess I just stink when I sweat. I'll just put some more deodorant on. My feet? Oh, they rougher than 285. I can't eat that. I'm lactose intolerant. I crave sugar. Is that so wrong? It is what it is. I crave alcohol because I love it. What's wrong with that? I love playing this game or on social media because it's fun. Well, guess what? While society views these as normal, I discovered they are not. Diabetes, normal? Nope. Lactose intolerant, normal? Nope. Drinking alcohol every day, healthy? Not at all. Playing video games for hours on social media? Not healthy, especially for the ones around you. Once I started fixing my gut, things didn't just improve, they transformed. Let me show you what real gut healing looks like. Gas with no smell? Yes, that's real. I used to be a one-man evacuation plan. I'm talking light a match, open a window, and blame the dog kind of gas. Now, I can fart in a crowd and with confidence. The gut truth is, when your gut is inflamed, it ferments food like a science experiment gone wrong. Fix the gut, and you turn off the stink factory. Even one beer a day adds up. There was a stretch when I had a beer every day after work. Just one. It felt harmless, normal, like a little reward for making it through the day. But over time, that just one became a silent wrecking ball. The gut truth is, even moderate alcohol, like one beer a day, slowly wears down your gut lining, disrupts your good bacteria, and fuels a crowd of toxic microbes. Over time, it raises inflammation levels and weakens your gut's ability to defend the rest of your body. It can quietly raise blood pressure, stress the liver, disrupt deep sleep, and feed gut inflammation that throws off your entire system. And here's the kicker. That one beer still qualifies as a class 1 carcinogen exposure, which means it can cause cancer. It doesn't take a six-pack to do that damage. That daily drip is enough to corrode your system from the inside out. Body odor, gone with the wind. My wife used to say I had that outdoorsy smell, and not in a good way. Now I can forget the deodorant and still smell like a spring breeze. The gut truth is, a toxic gut leaks waste into your bloodstream. That funk, it's your body waving a white flag. Clean the gut and you clean house, even through your skin. Feet so smooth, I don't tear through socks anymore. My heels used to feel like sandpaper. Socks didn't stand a chance. These days, no lotion, no creams, just soft, healthy skin. The gut truth is, you don't have a lotion problem, you've got a digestion problem. When your gut absorbs nutrients right, your skin stops crying out for help. Nails that don't break like promises. I used to clip them short so they wouldn't split. Now they're like polished stone, smooth and strong. The gut truth is, weak nails are often the tip of the iceberg. But underneath, poor biotin, silica, and zinc absorption, that's gut territory. From lactose intolerant to dairy every day. Yeah, milk used to leave me bloated, gassy, blowing up the spot, curled up like a shrimp. Now, I'm throwing back kefir and yogurt like it's a daily ritual. No pain, no pills, no problem. And I don't have to listen to my wife say, PU. The gut truth is, food sensitivities often fade when you fix the fire in your gut lining. When the gut wall heals, the drama disappears. And so does the comments. Sugar cravings finally packed their bags. I used to be a slave to sugar. Don't get it twisted. Late night snacks, guilty bites, runs the quick trip to get that frosted apple fritter. Now I'm free. Sugar doesn't whisper my name anymore. The gut truth is that bad bacteria and yeast beg for sugar. But when you starve the invaders and feed the good guys, those cravings vanish like smoke in the wind. What about better sleep, more juice, and I'm 59? I sleep deeper than I did at 30. And on the court, I still got bounce. Gut healing didn't just fix my belly, it gave me my youth back. The gut truth is about 90% of serotonin and nearly 50% of melatonin are produced in your gut. That means your gut isn't just a digestive machine, it's your brain's back office. Fix it, and sleep becomes your superpower. Energy, your new normal. Pulling it all together. These weren't small wins. This was my body waving the white flag, begging for help. Once I fixed my gut, the symptoms didn't just fade, they surrendered. We've been taught to manage symptoms, to patch the cracks with pills and products. But healing, real healing, starts at the root. If your life feels like a series of small problems, if you've been duct taping your health together with caffeine, sugar, lotions, and hope, let me be the sign you've been praying for. Your gut is the control tower. And when you fix the command center, everything else falls into place. Take the free gut quiz at www.healyourbody.health. Download the ebook or audiobook, Sweeter Than Sugar, and yes, it can heal you. And in episode 3, we're diving into addictions, cravings, control, and the gut-brain connection. That's it for today on Healing Out Loud, Mind and Body Recovery. Remember, when the gut is right, the body gets tight, and the mind, real nice. This is Coach Chino, and until next time, keep walking it out from the inside out.